Rallying. The term rallying can have different meanings depending on the context in which it is used. Here are a few common interpretations. 1. Rallying as a verb. In its verb form, rallying refers to the act of coming together or gathering in support of a common cause, idea, or goal. It often implies a sense of unity, enthusiasm, and determination. Here are a few examples. The community rallied together to raise funds for the local school. The team rallied in the second half of the game and won. The protesters rallied in front of the government building to demand change. 2. Rallying as a noun. As a noun, rallying can refer to a gathering or event where people come together to show support or enthusiasm for a particular cause, often involving speeches, performances, or demonstrations. Here are a few examples. The political rally attracted thousands of supporters. The environmental rally aimed to raise awareness about climate change. The student rally was organized to advocate for better educational resources. 3. Rallying in motorsports. In the context of motorsports, rallying specifically refers to a type of racing that takes place on public or private roads, often in varying weather and terrain conditions. Participants aim to complete a course as quickly as possible, navigating through different stages. Here are a few examples. The World Rally Championship is an international motorsport event that showcases rallying at its highest level. The driver skillfully navigated the challenging rally stage through the forest. The team's rally car slid around the corners as it sped through the gravel track. Overall, rallying can encompass the ideas of coming together, showing support, and demonstrating determination, whether it's for a social cause, political movement, or even in the world of motorsports. The context in which the term is used will determine its specific meaning.